would you like to see how I do my galaxy set? This is one of my more popular designs on my website, which is www.sadlerupnails.com. First, I'm going to come in with base coat because I'm still out of my Young Nails protein bond. Normally, I do just put down protein bond and I don't even put down a base coat because I do use Aprés Gel X nails, and since they are already made of gel, they don't really require a base coat. As long as you do put down the Young Nails protein bond. Otherwise, I would definitely put down a base coat, but I don't usually buff the nails first at all because, like I said, they are gel, and gel adheres to gel quite well. Next, I'm going to come in with Ugly Ducklings Black. I'm not sure what number this is. If I find out, I will put it in the description box. Yeah, I find it a little bit annoying when companies like name their polishes by number. Like just call it black. It's a lot easier because I mean, I don't know, maybe it's not quite black. Like just tell me it's black, right? Anyways, this is their black. It's pretty dark. It's fully opaque in 2 coats, which is amazing for a black gel polish. The Bioseaweed gel Black Magic, you need like 4 to 5 coats of it. So compared to that, this is amazing. So then we're going to come in with some Young Nails Imagination Pigments. This blue one and the purple, and I will also put the names of them in the description. I don't even know if they still sell these. I'm going to be honest. I got these a long time ago. I'm sure they do though. So I'm just dabbing these onto the dispersion layer of the Ugly Duckling Black, and it sticks quite nicely. And so I do that to all the nails. And then I'm going to come in with Bioseaweed's Crystal Ball, and I'm just wiping most of the glitter off because, to be honest, I don't want it to be too glittery because these are supposed to just kind of represent stars in the galaxy, and so I didn't want it to be, too glittery. You are basically going to just dry brush that on to all of the nails. Then you're going to cure this layer before we go into our next step, which is the fun part. First, we have Bioseaweed's Candyland, and I'm just putting this down onto a palette, a glass palette. And next we have Bioseaweed's Merry-Go-Round, which I'm dabbing into the center of Candyland. And then I'm using this white polish, which I'm almost out of, so I have to pretty much scrape it off the brush. Now, I like using this one because it's not too thick, because we're going to be kind of marbling the polish, so we want it to flow nicely. And then lastly, I have this Fingerpaints polish. I can't remember what the name of that one was, so I'll be putting this all into the description. So then we're going to be coming in with Bioseaweed's Artiste gel, which is their blooming gel, and we're going to put that over all of the nails, the entire nail. Even though we're only going to be marbling into the center, you do want to put the blooming gel over the entire nail so that it keeps the entire nail level. That's what the purpose of this is to, let it bloom out and keep it all nice and level. So then we're going to pick up the blob that we just laid down. And when I pick it up, I like to pick it up so that the white is at the tip and more prominent. And then I just gradually swirl it down into the center part of the nail, making, I guess, what would be the Milky Way. One thing to be mindful of when you're doing this is that you don't get any pooling at the sides. So, you know, just make sure you spread out the polish. That's why I like to start into the center and work my way out versus the outside in, so that it doesn't pool out, you know, gravity doesn't pull it down. And so now we are coming in with our top coat, which is Ugly Duckling's No Wipe, my absolute favorite top coat. So there you have it. This is my version of the Galaxy. It's pretty easy to do, and I actually really enjoy doing sets like this. I don't find them to be very tedious. Thanks for watching.